got my grandfather's paintings out, which were the things that I value the most, and they actually are of the most value physically. But that's about it. We had about a half hour. We were given about a half hour. The cops came and just said, "That's it, gotta go."
The cops were like knocking on the door and saying, okay.
They weren't letting anyone hang out.
Yeah.
Some people fought, went, pretended to go up the street, came back and fought the fire in their home. Some survived, some didn't.
Yeah.
So it was very touch and go there.
But
It's
it makes
crazy.
you
You don't know what to
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
Nothing really prepares you for it. I have friends who are like, oh, well, we didn't keep any important documents in the house, and we didn't keep any important mementos in the house, and we didn't keep any keepsakes in the house. And you're going, well, that's what's in your house, and so everybody's different. And if you get to that moment of panic, which thank God I didn't, you can forget things. You have to be picky. You have to you pick your battles literally of what you really need and what you can't do without. And photographs, as you know, daughter's artwork, things like that, those are things you can't get back. Photographs of family that have passed on, things that you never ended up scanning, right? It's funny how
you're always like, I'm going to get to that.
I'm going to get to that.
Yeah.
Right? It's very sad. The whole thing is sad. The landscape has changed, both in the Palisades, Altadena, Malibu. It's never going to be the same. It's changed forever. And it's a great tragedy because it's the community. And, I only moved there, like I said, maybe 38 years ago. But my wife grew up there, she was on the beaches with her friends surfing when she was a kid, and she was devastated when we woke up the next morning and drove around. We're like, this is nuts. My neighbors, I'm lucky. I had really great neighbors. When you're up in the mountains, you have your next door neighbors, and then you have the community as a whole. Malibu Strong we've always had that phrase, and it's a belief system that you can put us down, but we're always going to get back up. So we'll see what the new Malibu ends up looking like. I don't know. It's not going to be the same, that's for sure. But hopefully people get back on their feet, and that's all you can do is, hope and pray, right?